Social media marketing is a powerful and essential component of today's digital marketing landscape. It involves using various social media platforms to connect with your target audience, build brand awareness, drive website traffic, and increase sales or conversions. Here's a brief overview of social media marketing. Platform diversity. Social media marketing spans a range of platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, and more. Each platform has its own unique user base and features, making it important to choose the right ones for your specific business and target audience. Engagement and interaction. Social media marketing is not just about broadcasting your messages. It's about actively engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community around your brand. Content creation. Creating compelling and relevant content is at the heart of social media marketing. This includes posts, images, videos, and stories. Tailor your content to each platform and the preferences of your audience. Consistency. Consistency is key. Regular posting and interaction maintain your brand's presence in the minds of your audience. A content calendar can help you plan and schedule posts in advance. Analytics and insights. Social media platforms provide insights into the performance of your content and campaigns. Use these data to refine your strategy, understand what's working, and make informed decisions. Paid advertising. Most social media platforms offer advertising options. Paid social media ads can be highly targeted and effective in reaching a specific audience. You can set budgets and goals to meet your marketing objectives. Community building. Building a loyal and engaged community around your brand is a long-term goal of social media marketing. This community can become brand advocates, helping spread the word and boosting your credibility. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can be a valuable strategy. They have established followings and can help promote your products or services to a wider audience. Social listening. Monitor social media for mentions of your brand, industry, or related topics. Respond to feedback, address concerns, and gain insights into what people are saying about your business. Adaptation and trends. The social media landscape is ever evolving. Stay up to date with platform changes and emerging trends. Being flexible and adaptive is crucial to success in this field. Measuring ROI. It's important to track the return on investment, ROI, for your social media marketing efforts. Identify the key performance indicators, KPIs, that align with your business goals and regularly assess your ROI. Social media marketing is an essential tool for businesses of all sizes in today's digital age. When executed effectively, it can help you connect with your audience, increase brand awareness, and drive revenue. However, it's important to develop a clear strategy, focus on quality content, and stay attuned to your audience's needs and preferences. Social media marketing is a dynamic and essential component of digital marketing that involves using social media platforms to promote products, services, or brands. It has become a fundamental strategy for businesses and individuals to connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive engagement and conversions. Here are some key aspects of social media marketing. Platform diversity. Social media marketing involves leveraging a variety of social platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, and others. Each platform caters to specific demographics and user behaviors, allowing marketers to tailor their strategies accordingly. Content creation and sharing. High quality, engaging content is at the core of social media marketing. Marketers create and share content like images, videos, blog posts, and infographics that resonate with their audience. Content should be tailored to each platform's format and audience preferences. Audience targeting. Social media platforms offer advanced targeting options to reach specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Marketers can use these tools to deliver content to the right audience, increasing the effectiveness of their campaigns. Engagement and interaction. Building and maintaining an active and engaged social media community is crucial. This involves responding to comments, messages, and feedback, as well as encouraging discussions and interactions around your content. Analytics and insights. A social media marketing relies on data and analytics to measure the performance of campaigns. Marketers use insights to refine their strategies, optimize content, and track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as likes, shares, comments, and conversion rates. Paid advertising. Many social media platforms offer paid advertising options that allow businesses to boost their visibility and reach a wider audience. These ads can take the form of sponsored posts, display ads, or promoted content. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers and micro-influencers is a popular social media marketing strategy. Influencers can help promote products or services to their dedicated followers, often leading to increased